Guys, I found a new AI tool. This AI can help you create documentary videos, POV videos, and crime story videos. And the crazy part of it is this: all you need to do is just to select the category of story you want to create using this particular AI, and this AI is going to generate a full script, and not just a full script, give you scene to scene images that suit what this AI actually generated for you. As if that is not enough, on this particular AI again, you can do your voiceover, and everything you are doing here is actually licensed on YouTube app. And once you upload your video or the videos you created using this particular AI, there is nothing like inauthentic content, and there is nothing like YouTube demonetizing your channel. If you are interested, just stay with me from very start to the end of this video. Don't forget what we do here: like this video, share this video, subscribe and turn on notifications, and then let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Without further ado, guys, I'm not going to skip anything. Just stay from very start to the end, and you will definitely know this AI and know how you can actually use this particular AI. Let us dive into the full tutorial video. But this AI is not free, but browser is open. All you need to do is to search for this AI that says what? Narravox. Can you see? So this is the AI, Narravox AI here. Are you seeing that? So once you tap on this particular AI, now before we start, this AI is not actually free, but the paid version is not expensive. So now you search for this first one here that says Narravox. So once you click on the first one that says Narravox, then it's going to take you into the AI. Now this is you here. So all you need to do is to click on this place that says Get Started. So once you click on that place that gets started, it will take you straight into the main interface of this AI. Now this is where you will come to. So first thing first here is just to have an account with this particular AI, which I do already. So this is my account, and then I'm going to sign in to this particular AI. Now as you can see, I am in here, and here as you can see, I have 0 credit left. Do you understand? So what are we doing basically is this: if you want to upgrade this plan, you tap on this place that says upgrade, but their pay is very small. Can you see? $4.5. then you'll be given 120 credits. And believe me, on each video you create, I don't think it takes up to 5 credits to generate a full long story, like 15, 16, 20 minute story. Now these are what you are going to have. Good. Then after that, now this is the work of this AI. Now if you come to this place, you can do what? Generate new story. You see that? Then under it, you are seeing what? Documentary video based on true life or scene free event. Now this is what you can do. You can generate a story here, you can do your voiceover here, and you can equally generate POV explainer videos, which is what is trending on YouTube right now. This kind of video is trending on YouTube right now. So let's click on this place that says create a new story. Now once you come to this place, this is what you are going to see. Then you have to select whether you are creating a creative fiction or true life stories. So me, I'm going for true life stories. Now once you click on true life stories, do you see more options? So here now you can create conspiracy, comedy, love and romance, horror event, crime event, adventure event, and then the last is what? Documentary, which is this discovering story or moment of history. So this two now is like documentary story. So let's assume that we are going for moments in history. So once you tap moment in history, then here you select the location you want to talk about. Now mind you, when you are selecting your location and the kind of video you are creating, know very well that your major audience will be coming from that particular country. So I think I'll be using North America or South America. So let me use North American as an example. Now it's going to give you period of time. So if you want from 2000 to 2026, you select. Now if you want from 1950 to 2000, you select. So let me go to 2000 to 2026, which is the current date we have. Now here is going to show you this. The first one is short, while the second one is long form video, if you want to do long form video. Now here I'm going for long form video. You tap on your long form video. Now once you tap on your long form video, it's going to give you what? The full details of what you selected. Then after that, now you tap on this place that says generate your story. So once you click on this place, now it will go ahead and generate your story. But because I do not have credit, so this stuff is going to take 4 credits for me to generate my story and my images for me. Even on this particular AI again, I can still do my voiceover. So I think and I believe that this AI is actually the best so far. So if you find this video very helpful, try this AI and let me know in the comment section. And mind you, I'm going to pay for this AI and use this AI to generate a full story, but that will be a tutorial video for another day. Bye and stay tuned now, guys.